You already know what time it is. Okay, this message is to my extended niece, Jordan. Jordan, hey hun, how are you? I'm making a strawberry matcha with some added benefits. I got some sea moss and some collagen peptides with also what? Protein, because I know you've been looking to add some protein into your diet. So let me go ahead and make it for you. And for those that are watching, you can follow along and make it too because it's super good. I actually had a half a banana left, so let's just go ahead and turn this into a shake because I haven't eaten anything, so, you know. Anyway, I have 3 tablespoons of the collagen peptide in my blender. Also, maybe like 2 tablespoons of the sea moss that I made. And in this bowl, I have 1 teaspoon of the matcha. I'm going to fill up this top cap with the unsweetened almond milk and mix this around. I do not have a matcha brush. I don't. Let me show you what I use. This thing. This is for my blender. So I mix this around until all the matcha granules are smoothed out or whatever. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of agave in here. So I'm going to blend this and then I'll put the matcha mix on top of the shake. Whisk, whisk, whisk till it gets smooth. I don't like water in my matcha. Not the biggest fan of that. And I'm also going to add 1 packet of stevia to my matcha because I like it a little sweet sometimes, not all the time. But I am going to keep it a bean with y'all. If it's not sweet enough, I got 1 more thing that I add. So good. Okay, I got my mason jar with some ice. Pour the strawberry shake in there. And we're gonna add the matcha right on top. So here it is, a vegan strawberry matcha shake with sea moss and collagen peptides, which has protein. Now this is the I was talking about that I add. So I'll go ahead and make a foam out of this and I'll put it on top of the shake. This is optional. Right on top. And there it is. Oh my God. It's so good, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Okay, bye, Jordan.